It's a sunny morning in Nueva Ecija. Suddenly, phones buzz and radios crackle. Philippine Army approves new air defense facility at Fort Magsaysay. News anchors use words like historic, revolutionary, and game changer. For the first time, the Army is not just looking down at the ground. Now, they are aiming for the skies. Soldiers at Fort Magsaysay gather to watch the announcement on big screens. Some cheer, others salute. Leaders say this is the start of a new chapter for Philippine defense. Everyone knows this is big news. Even in cities far away, people feel proud. This is not just another building. It is a symbol of change. The Philippine Army is sending a bold message. We will protect our country from every threat, even those from above. This approval is more than paperwork. It is a signal to the world that the Philippines is ready to defend its airspace and its people. The Philippine Army's top leaders have just given the green light. A new air defense facility will rise at Fort Magsaysay. This is the country's largest military base, nestled in the heart of Luzon. For decades, Fort Magsaysay was known for training infantry and tanks. Now, it will also guard the Philippine skies. The plan is clear. The Army wants a modern, secure place to train soldiers for air defense. They also need a center to store and test new technology. This is something the country has never had before. Everyone is asking, why now? The answer is simple. The world is changing fast. Drones, missiles, and aircraft are new dangers. The Army needs to be ready. By approving this facility, the government is taking action. This is a big leap forward for Philippine defense, and for everyone who calls this country home. For many years, the Philippine Army focused on the ground. They trained to fight rebels and protect towns from threats on land. Tanks, trucks, and boots on the ground were the main tools. But times are changing. Now the Army understands that real security means looking up, too. Other countries have built strong air defenses. The Philippines is catching up. By building this facility, the Army is shifting its focus. They want to stop threats before they hit the ground. This change is not easy. It means learning new skills and buying new technology. Soldiers must practice using radars, missiles, and other tools. But this is how the Army protects the country in the 21st century. The message is clear. The Philippine Army is not just about ground defense anymore. They are ready to defend the skies as well. This new facility is part of something even bigger. It is the first step in the Army's Horizon 3 modernization plan. Horizon 3 is the Philippine military's path to the future. It aims to make the country's defense stronger and smarter. Horizon 3 is not only about buying new weapons, it is about building new bases, training centers, and command posts. The goal is to protect the country from all kinds of threats on land, sea, and now in the air. With Horizon 3, the Army will have better tools and new technology. They will also work more closely with allies. This will help keep the Philippines safe in a changing world. The new air defense facility at Fort Magsaysay is just the beginning. Many more upgrades are planned. Horizon 3 will guide the Army for many years to come. So, what will happen inside this new air defense facility? Well, first, it will be a training ground. Soldiers will learn to spot and stop enemy aircraft and drones. There will be classrooms, shooting ranges, and high-tech simulators. Second, the facility will be a safe home for new technology. Radars, missiles, and computers need secure storage and testing areas. The Army wants to make sure everything works perfectly before it goes into action. This facility will also be a command center. Here, leaders will watch the skies and send out alerts if danger comes. Information will travel fast to protect both soldiers and civilians. The mission is clear. Train the best air defenders, use the smartest technology, and keep the Philippines safe from above. Why is this air defense facility so important? The answer lies in new threats. Today's dangers can come from far away. Drones, missiles, and fast jets can strike before anyone sees them. The Philippines needs better ways to stop these attacks. Other countries in Asia are building up their air defenses. The Philippines cannot afford to be left behind. The new facility will help the Army react quickly and protect important places, like cities, airports, and military bases. This is not just a military problem. Families, businesses, and schools all need protection. The Army's job is to keep everyone safe, no matter where the threat comes from. Building this facility shows everyone, friends and foes, that the Philippines takes security seriously. It is a promise to protect the nation's future. Why did the Army choose Fort Magsaysay for this new facility? The answer starts with its size. Fort Magsaysay is the biggest military camp in the Philippines. It covers thousands of hectares and has room for new buildings and training grounds. The base is also in a good spot. It is close to major highways and airports. Supplies and soldiers can move in and out easily. If there is an emergency, help can arrive fast. Fort Magsaysay is far from crowded cities, making it safer for testing new technology. The open land is perfect for firing missiles or running radar drills. The location makes sense for another reason too. The facility can help protect Luzon, which is home to many people and key government sites. Fort Magsaysay is the right place for this important job. The new air defense facility will have many modern features. There will be command centers filled with screens and computers to watch the skies. Soldiers will train on simulators that feel like the real thing. The Army will also build safe storage for missiles and radar equipment. These new buildings will bring benefits beyond the base. Construction will create jobs for local workers. Engineers and computer experts will help set up high-tech systems. This can boost the local economy and teach new skills. The facility will also connect with schools and colleges. Students can visit, learn about technology, and dream of working in defense. This is how the Army helps build a stronger community. For soldiers, this facility means better training and safer missions. For civilians, it means more jobs and pride in their country's progress. SHORADS stands for Short Range Air Defense System. It is a set of tools to protect a small area from enemy aircraft, drones, and missiles. These systems are fast and can shoot down threats before they reach their target. Why is SHORADS important now? In the past, most attacks came from the ground. Now, cheap drones and new missiles can fly in quickly. SHORADS gives soldiers a way to stop these threats. It is like an invisible shield around important places. Having SHORADS means the Army can protect cities, camps, and airports. It also helps during disasters or emergencies when fast action is needed. The new facility at Fort Magsaysay will train soldiers to use SHORADS. This is how the Philippines keeps up with modern threats and stays safe. The Philippine Army must choose the best SHORADS system. There are, many options, each with strengths and challenges. Some top choices are Spider from Israel, Akash from India, Iris-T SLM from Germany, NASAMS from Norway and the United States, and Mistral 3 from France. The Spider system can stop planes, helicopters, and drones. It is fast and works in all weather. Akash is made in India. It is reliable and cheaper, but best for slow targets. Iris-T SLM is very modern and can shoot down tough targets, but it costs more. NASAMS is popular with many armies and is good for teamwork with allies. Mistral 3 is easy to move and quick to set up. Each system brings something special, but also has limits in range or price. The Army will test these options at the new facility. Their choice will shape how the Philippines defends itself for years to come. Choosing a SHORADS system is not just about technology. Leaders must think about cost, how easy the system is to use, and which countries are willing to help. Buying from allies can mean training and support for many years. Some systems like NASAMS are expensive but proven. Others, like Akash, are more affordable but not as advanced. The Army must balance what it can afford with what it really needs. Alliances matter too. Working with friendly countries can bring more training, repairs, and even joint exercises. The choice of SHORADS will show what kind of partnerships the Philippine Army wants in the future. This decision is about more than just missiles. It is about the country's place in the world and its promise to protect its people. The Philippines is not alone in modernizing its air defenses. Countries like Singapore, Vietnam, and Malaysia are upgrading too. Singapore has strong air defenses with top technology. Vietnam is buying new radars and missiles from Russia and Israel. Malaysia and Indonesia are also shopping for SHORADS systems. Everyone in the region sees the same problem: new, fast-moving threats from the air. No one wants to be left behind. By building the new facility at Fort Magsaysay, the Philippines is sending a message. We are ready to defend our skies, just like our neighbors. This race for better air defense is about safety, pride, and being ready for whatever comes next. The new air defense facility is more than just walls and wires. It is a promise for the future. With better training, smarter tools, and new partnerships, the Philippine Army can protect every corner of the country. This is about self-reliance. The Philippines is taking control of its own safety. It is about readiness, being prepared for anything, anytime. And it is about hope. Families, workers, and soldiers can all feel safer and more proud of their country. The world is changing fast, but the Philippines is ready to face tomorrow. With this new facility, the Army is stronger, smarter, and more united. Together, Filipinos can build a safer nation for generations to come.